Everybody, my name is John, and today I'm going to be playing Animal Jam, Play Wild. Chameleons can see visible.
YouTuber, right?
Yeah.
You really got hired to high school?
What? I got hired at high school? My cousins are here. Say hi, Max.
Hello.
Say hi, Henry.
Hi.
Those are my cousins, Henry and Max. I've played this game for a little while when one of my cousins told me about it. It was not one of the cousins here. It was Daniel, and I think it was Ella. What's that? Oh my god. Why is the volume so low? Yay! Cowboy hat. I got the cowboy hat. No, I whip. No, I mean it. Wait, I did it back.
People like that song.
I'm not black.
Wait, I know.
Seriously? That's rude. My viewers know I'm not black. Even though I don't have face cam.
I know I'm not black, but if that was black.
Seriously. Viewers, am I black? Ooh, ice chair. Man, I need an Arctic Wolf. Phantom balloon. Okay. Wooden lawn chair. But then I'd have to... Oh my god, no, I'm not doing the monkey one. The monkey one's so creepy. Look at the monkey that you guys made is like, look at that. I just look at it and I'm just like, what did I let them do? No, I have to do the monkey. Sally. No, seriously, look at this. That's what you guys created. The monkey. Look, this is what you guys created.
What?
No, you both did. Okay.
Oh jeez! Whoa! What? The big cat's face popped up in my screen.
Let me see.
Watch. Wait. Dude, you're actually doing this on a YouTube video?
Yeah, I'm gonna upload it.
What?
Good. Okay.
It's gonna come up. Wait, if I tap this, no.
Don't be.
Let's watch it online after you make it.
Okay, but first it's gonna have to upload. No. What? The. Cat sounds are my cousin's computer. I mean iPad. I don't have an iPad. Introduction.
Wait, man.
Hey. So, cowboy hat. What's the... Wait. Yes. Yes. Now I'm gonna go to my den. Can you please be quiet now? So this is my den. My den. Wait, I can walk through. Oh, I can.
Sitting in a box.
I was gonna say I can walk through. I can walk through my Christmas tree in my den. No matter. And then there's a statue, like the monkey, for the monkey that you just saw. The bunny that you haven't seen yet, and the wolf that I play as. Can you please get out of there now?
I think I stuck.
Okay, fine, I'll help you. Can you talk to the viewers?
I'm stuck.
Yeah,
Okay,
this is what we're gonna do.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm back. Oh God, can you just not put your behind in the box.
It does look like a
Huh?
chair now.
Okay. Well, we go to the couch because in this game we can actually sit on the couches and we can jump. Wait, no, that's sitting. Jump. See, I'm jumping. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay-nay. Now watch me whip, whip. A lot of people like the Whip and Nay-Nay song, Henry. My mom does. My mom does. She went to that school when she was a kid. She went to Centerville when she was a kid.
Well,
And
that
she-
was a long story.
Why do you have to be so funny all the time? You're making a fool of my jokes.
Sally, no.
Okay. Well, that was it for this video. Or no, it can't be. It's just been a few minutes. I will do. Seriously, you're breaking a box.
Yeah, I'm trying to make my rocking chair.
Rocking chair.
Nope.
And then,
Mama,
seriously, that's too much noise.
keep watching your Dan to the end videos. Then DM got killed by Herobrine, okay?
Why would you say something like that? Dandian's not dead.
Hey,
He still makes videos.
no. In the game, he got it.
Minecraft?
Herobrine.
You mean Minecraft?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't always have to say in the
Daddy-
game.
But
Duh.
Daddy, yeah, he did die in real life.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, Jonah,
No, he didn't. What?
computers aren't smart.
Yes, they are.
Well, when I talk into my computer, it's not smart.
What does it say?
And I kept saying translator. Actually, pet translator. He keeps putting some other thing on it. See, watch this.
Well, then just type it in.
Translator.
Then
Does
just
it type in a
then type it in.
translator. Seriously?
Oh, wait, that's me. That's me.
Wait.
That's me. Look. That's me in the suit. I'm a model.
See?
I'm a model.
How are you a model?
I don't know, but
Let's see,
I
let's
like
see,
it.
Wait, where is it?
Hey, dude,
can we
watch some of your YouTube videos after this video?
What?
Okay.
You're actually
what's this?
putting up on YouTube, right?
No, they can't see you. They can't see you. They can only hear you. I can't believe that I'm a model. Wait, will it change if I turn into Flora Icy Cloud, which is my sister's animal? No, it still doesn't change.
Jonah,
What if I just go out then back in?
there's this thing that's called laugh until it hurts.
Laugh until it hurts.
Yes.
That sounds
This is
painful.
access called.
That sounds painful. Will it change into the
When I laugh,
funny?
it never hurts.
It does! It does change! Look! I'm Madeline's animal and now it changed into Madeline's animal with the suit.
Oh.
Oh my god. It's a scam. I'm not a model. Everyone's a model. Well, that was it for this video. Bye! Dun 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 dun.